These are the OTIS escalators at the Boscov store at the Park City Center Mall. These are OTIS. Oh, pretty. This used to be an old Gimbels. There's the MPE. This is the home section. Let's go around to the other end. There's a view of the atrium. You can tell this used to be an old Gimbels. Let's go ahead down the escalator. No strollers or shop carts and escalators. Again, these are OTIS. Very nice store. It's a lot nicer than my local Boscov, the Clearview Mall. Wow, this one's a lot nicer than the one I'm used to, Clearview Mall in Schindler Northview. Metal balustrades. OTIS.